Hey there, let's see how to set up VS Code for Java language. First of all, we have to go any browser in your PC. So we are going on Chrome, install JDK and click on this first link. We are downloading JDK 21. You can download any JDK that you want. I am downloading 21 because this is a better version than 23 and it doesn't have any bugs. So this is it, and we have to choose here our machine. So we are downloading in Windows and click on this x64 installer. Click on this link. It is installing. Let it install. We are installing VS Code. So VS Code install latest version. Yes, click on it and click on this first link. Choose here your machine. Click on this and your download will automatically start. If doesn't start, click on this link and we have to install VS Code. So click on it. It will simply install. Next, in this location your all user data will store. It doesn't need to remember, just next and create a desktop icon. Next and install. So VS Code is getting installed. Let it install. Let's do some another work. We have to install JDK. Double click on it and it will close these tabs. Click here on next. On this location our JDK is getting set up. Click on next. Our JDK will simply install and our VS Code is installed successfully. So finish it and our JDK is also installed. So close it. Clicking on finish, this window will open up VS Code. So make as all done. No need to do anything in it. Just click on open folder and create here a new folder, program folder, and select folder and okay. We didn't even set up JDK, so go to this PC and after this go to C drive, program files, click on Java, click on JDK and open this bin folder and copy this entire path, clicking Ctrl plus C and close this tab. Open environment variable, click on enter, click this environment variable, click this new button, give it a variable name path and paste here a path which we copied and yes, click on OK and OK. So by doing this your environment variable path is set up. So again open command prompt and run as administrator. Yes, and type here a command java dash dash version and yes, and type a command again java c dash dash version. So here we go. Restart your computer and code, and in this program we have to create a new file. So click on it, give a folder name new.java, click on enter. First of all we have to install all extension packs for Java. So go on this extension button and type here Java. This will install all the extensions for you, so we have to install it. This first extension pack we have to install. Click on install. This Java extension pack, platform pack, we have to install this also, so click on install. And we have to install this Java language server also, so this is already installing, so we don't need to click on install. So let it be installed and all set. Click on install, give permissions to it, and all set. Click on this upper side configure and click this language support for Java team by Red Hat and click on it and all set. So let's write syntax of Java. Class O, and here we go, we wrote our first program. So and we can run from here or click on F5 on your computer. This will simply run. So here it is, and if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.